how to manage your video preferences on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to Vimeo, this is the homepage. Now go here to the top on your profile and click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is go to videos. Now here you will find the video preferences. You can enable it or disable it to hide video states and viewer count on the video page in the search results. And yeah, you can enable it or disable it easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.